Greetings, aero-strange enthusiasts and curious minds. Today we're peeling back the layers of mystery surrounding those intriguing pods you often see under airplane wings. From fuel tanks to sensor pods, electronic warfare units to targeting systems, and even ordnance pods, we'll delve into their diverse roles and functionalities. Our journey will take us from the commercial runways to the front lines of airborne combat. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey into the world of aircraft pods. The first type of pod we're diving into are the external fuel tanks. These unsung heroes are essentially containers attached under the wings or the fuselage of the aircraft, storing additional fuel. Now you may ask, why would an aircraft need extra fuel? Well, it's quite simple. These external fuel tanks significantly extend the aircraft's range, allowing it to reach destinations that would otherwise be out of its reach. It's a bit like carrying an extra jerry can of gas on a long road trip. Just as you wouldn't want your car to run out of fuel in the middle of nowhere, pilots also want to avoid a similar scenario while cruising at 35,000 feet. These tanks are especially beneficial for military aircraft, which often have to undertake long-range missions, sometimes even halfway around the globe. They also come in handy for commercial flights that traverse great distances between continents. To give you an idea of their usage, let's take a look at some examples. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, a fighter jet used by the United States Air Force, often employs external fuel tanks for extended missions. Similarly, the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, also utilizes these fuel tanks to reach far-flung destinations without needing to refuel. In essence, these external fuel tanks are like the unsung heroes of aviation. They silently do their job, allowing aircraft to soar greater distances and making our world a little bit smaller. Without these fuel tanks, long-range missions would be much more challenging. Next, we turn our attention to the sensor pods. These intriguing devices are the eyes and ears of the aircraft, gathering crucial data from the surrounding environment. They come in a variety of forms, each designed for a specific purpose. From weather sensors that monitor temperature, humidity, and wind speed, to reconnaissance cameras that capture high-resolution images, sensor pods are an essential part of any flight mission. They provide pilots with real-time data, enhancing their situational awareness and decision-making abilities. But their significance extends beyond commercial and private aviation. In the realm of military and research aircraft, sensor pods take on a critical role. They are equipped with advanced technologies such as radar, infrared, and even laser systems to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, or track targets. Consider a military aircraft on a reconnaissance mission. It might utilize sensor pods to detect enemy activity, gather photographic evidence, and even measure radiation levels in the area. This data is not only invaluable for the mission at hand, but also contributes to broader strategic planning. Similarly, research aircraft use sensor pods to collect atmospheric data, study weather patterns, or monitor environmental changes. From tracking the path of hurricanes to studying the effects of climate change, these pods help scientists gather the data they need to understand our world better. In essence, sensor pods transform aircraft into sophisticated, mobile laboratories, capable of collecting and analyzing a wealth of data. With these sensor pods, aircraft are never flying blind. They are the silent observers, constantly watching, listening, and learning from the world around them. Now, let's explore the world of electronic countermeasures with electronic warfare pods. These pods, often seen under the wings of military aircraft, are a key component in the high-stakes game of modern warfare. Electronic warfare pods, or EWPs, come in a variety of forms, each designed to perform a specific role. Some are jamming systems, disrupting enemy radar and communications, effectively blinding and silencing them. Others are radar deceivers, sending out signals that confuse enemy systems and create a smokescreen of electronic noise. In the heat of battle, EWPs serve as an aircraft's invisible shield, protecting it from the prying eyes of enemy radar and the deadly aim of guided missiles. They create a battlefield advantage by providing a level of stealth and deception that goes beyond physical evasiveness. But their role isn't just defensive. By disrupting enemy communications, EWPs can create windows of opportunity for attack, turning the tide of an engagement in an instant. They're not just a shield but a sword, cutting through the electronic fog of war to strike at the heart of the enemy. In the digital battlefield, where information is as valuable as firepower, electronic warfare pods play a critical role. They ensure the safety of our aircraft and the success of our operations. As warfare continues to evolve, so too will the technology in these pods, always adapting to meet the challenges of the future. In the digital battlefield, these pods are a game changer. Our next stop is the realm of precision with the targeting pods. Imagine a world where precision is the difference between success and catastrophe. In the high-stakes field of aviation, that world is a reality, and the heroes of this story are the targeting pods. These nifty devices, often tucked away under the wings of aircraft, play a pivotal role in ensuring every mission's success. Targeting pods are the quintessential companions of any modern combat aircraft. Seamlessly integrated with the aircraft systems, they are the precision experts that allow pilots to execute their missions with absolute accuracy. These pods employ a range of advanced technologies. Infrared sensors, for instance, provide pilots with a clear view of the ground, regardless of the weather or time of day. Laser designators, on the other hand, pinpoint targets with unerring accuracy, guiding precision-guided munitions to their objective with surgical precision. But targeting pods are not just about delivering weaponry. They also play a crucial role in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. With high-resolution cameras and advanced imaging systems, they capture detailed imagery of the battlefield, providing critical information that shapes strategic decisions. In essence, targeting pods are the eyes that guide the hands of an aircraft. They provide the critical link between an aircraft and its target, ensuring that every shot counts, every mission succeeds, and every pilot returns home safely. These pods ensure that every shot counts. Finally, we're looking at the heavy hitters, the Ordnance pods. These are the powerhouses of the aircraft world, carrying the weapons that make military aircraft a force to be reckoned with. Ordnance pods are like the utility belts of the skies. They're designed to house a variety of weapons, from missiles and bombs to precision-guided munitions. Each type is meticulously engineered to enhance an aircraft's combat capabilities, all while maintaining the flexibility to be swapped or upgraded as needed. Now, Ordnance pods aren't just about carrying weapons. They also provide an ingenious solution to a key challenge in military aviation. How do you equip an aircraft with heavy firepower without making permanent modifications to its structure? The answer lies in these pods. They allow for the attachment of weapons and other equipment externally, ensuring that the aircraft remains versatile and adaptable to a wide range of missions. Each pod is a marvel of engineering, crafted to withstand the rigors of high-speed flight and combat. They're built tough, designed to protect the weapons inside while ensuring they can be deployed swiftly and accurately when the moment of truth arrives. And so, as we take a closer look at these pods, we begin to appreciate the enormous complexity and ingenuity that goes into every aspect of aircraft design. From the fuel tanks that keep them aloft to the sensors that guide them, and now to the ordnance pods that arm them for battle. These pods are the muscle behind every aircraft's firepower. What a journey we've had through the fascinating world of aircraft pods. We kicked off with the unsung heroes, the fuel tanks, enabling aircraft to venture far and wide. Then, we explored the eyes and ears of the sky, the sensor pods, keeping our pilots informed and our missions successful. We delved into the world of electronic warfare pods, the invisible shields that protect our military aircraft in the heat of combat. We then turned our attention to the precision experts, the targeting pods, making every strike count. Finally, we acknowledged the powerhouse of the aircraft, the ordnance pods, packing a punch without the need for permanent modifications. Each pod, with its unique role, contributes to the might and versatility of modern aircraft. From extending ranges to ensuring precision, from enhancing safety to boosting combat capabilities, these pods truly encapsulate the incredible technological strides we've made in aviation. Remember to comment with your questions or thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AeroStrange insights. That's all from us today at AeroStrange. Until next time, thank you for watching and keep exploring the skies.